Well, welcome to week 4. This is going to be a fun week. It's time to take a breath and do some thinking. So, if you don't mind, I'm going to go over this module with you just a little bit and point out the things that we're going to be doing this week. The only assignment for the week is discussion board exchanges, so that's kind of nice. But I want to show you what we're going over today. First, let's take a peek at these study materials. Now, you've got 4 weeks to write this essay, and you're going to need every bit of it. And I want to make sure that we set the foundation for writing the correct kind of essay. In the past, not very often, but sometimes students will just turn in a research paper. A research paper is like a book report, where you would just look at, let's say you're looking at the Battle of the Bulge, and you write an essay that tells me when it took place, and where it took place, and how many people died, and what was the outcome, and so forth. That is a book report. That is not an argument essay. In an argument essay, we would take that same Battle of the Bulge, and maybe we would look at that as a problem and solution, or a cause and an effect, or a theory. Why did that happen? A discursive essay, which is persuasive. So those are your choices as you look at the topic that you've already locked down in the discussion board. What kind of essay do you want to write? Are you not sure? Set up a Zoom meeting with me and I'll meet you together and we'll figure it out together on a Zoom session. So that's what you're going to decide with your topic. And the next thing we're going to go down to is tips and tricks for writing a good topic. And below that, of course, it's a lot of reading, but what we're going to do this week is reading and thinking and planning how to move forward with a strategy for your topic. You already locked down a topic. If we're now at this point, you think, well, maybe I might change my mind. Then you're going to pick a different topic from all this list. This is that same list that I gave you in a PDF. A couple added down at the bottom that have come up in recent time, and so look those over and make sure that you've got the decision about what you want to do. Now, once you get that broad topic, it's time to narrow your topic. This takes you in step-by-step instructions. Are you not sure how to narrow your topic? You got a big broad topic like World War II and you don't know what to do with it? Email me and we'll set up a Zoom meeting and we'll figure it out together. I'm more than happy to help you narrow that topic down. Now below that, I'm sorry, I just skipped ahead, but below that is now how we're going to organize after we've narrowed the topic. How are we going to organize that into the kind of essay that we want to write? These tutorials talk about the Tillman essay method. That's one way, or the other way is to do the alphanumeric outline. And if you choose the alphanumerical outline, I have given you tutorials on how to create each of those outlines. There's an outline for the theory, for problem solution essays, cause and effect essays, and then we talk about outlining. How are you going to create an outline? I know you think, oh, I don't want to. Yes, you do. You've got to make friends with outlining. It is your best friend. You don't think so, but it is. And then there's a theory outline and problem solution. So at the bottom of this study documents, this is an essay that I actually wrote myself. And I take you step by step through my process of writing the essay with the same prompt that you've been given. And you are welcome to go through this process with me. And the essay that I wrote is completed there, and it's a long essay. Yours won't be this long. But I asked a big question. And the bigger the question, the longer the essay. So that's how we narrow topics. Now let's scoot over here just a minute, see what the assignment is for the week. The only thing you have to do this week is discussion board exchanges with you and other people talking about your topics. Follow this and have at least 8 pieces of dialogue going in that discussion board. And that's it for the week. We're going to get started on this most wonderful project of your whole adult life. I heard that. Yes, it is. You're going to enjoy this. At least give it a try. That concludes this tutorial. Welcome to week 4.